It's really cool to see the evolution of the new Bronco body going onto an Ultra4 truck. We've always just ran an aluminum body that's kind of been high and tight, and to actually make our vehicles look like a new 2021 Bronco, it's gonna separate us from the field and really make us stand out and give us an advantage against the competition.
Aside from the new Bronco looking incredible and knowing the engineering and the capability of it, I really love the fact that Ford built in so much modularity. There's so many options, so many accessories already for it. For me, wanting people to just have fun and go enjoy life, they're really providing a vehicle to do that.
I'm so excited to get out here to King of the Hammers this year and race in my 4400 Bronco because we switched it over to a Ford power plant and the thing absolutely rips, so I can't wait for race day.
It's an absolute honor to be out here representing Bronco, racing King of the Hammers. It's such a special place for Bronco because a lot of the development and durability testing was done here in Johnson Valley.